This is AI designing its own experiments. The thinking microscope, invented by scientists at Gladstone Institutes, can essentially design its own experiments using artificial intelligence. It relies on a digital micromirror device made up of thousands of minuscule mirrors. Each mirror, smaller than the width of a human hair, can precisely tilt in different directions, allowing the microscope to focus light onto a single cell in a dish or even a subregion within a cell. In addition, Gladstone researchers created light-sensitive, disease-causing proteins they can add to cells. Using the mirrors, the microscope shines a light on these proteins and triggers disease, such as Parkinson's or ALS, directly in the cell. Using this method, the scientists can conduct a different experiment on each individual cell, even those located within the same well of a dish. This means they can run hundreds or thousands of experiments simultaneously. Finally, the scientists leveraged a type of AI called reinforcement learning to train a model on all the data generated by these experiments, giving the microscope the ability to think. Now, the microscope can observe the effect of an experiment, learn from it, and design the next experiment, all without human intervention, until it solves the scientific problem it was given by the researchers.